Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to give you a heads up on some offers on Airfix starter sets this winter from Aldi UK, and the prices on these are crazy low. Each of these 1/72 scale kits will set you back just £6.99. That's for a box that includes glue, paint and a paintbrush, as well as the plastic for the kit. Let's have a look at what kits are on offer. First, the classic Mark 1A Spitfire, hero of the Battle of Britain, an icon of British aviation and a super kit to make. Next, the Spitfire's biggest enemy, the Messerschmitt Bf 109, Germany's premier fighter for much of the war and sporting a pretty cool camouflage scheme. Then comes the mighty Mustang, a glitzy American fighter that came to Europe later in the war to escort the streams of bombers taking the fight to the continent. The last of the planes on offer is the Japanese Zero, a lightweight, nimble aircraft that dominated the skies of the Pacific for the first few years of World War II. Finally, there's also the American DUKW amphibious vehicle that could swim ashore carrying troops and equipment, but these days is seen in cities across the world running sightseeing duck tours on both land and water. Each of these kits is easy to assemble, comes with simple instructions, water slide decals for details and, as I say, the paints, paintbrush and glue you'll need. At just £6.99 these are the perfect stocking filler. They help develop creative skills and keep the youngsters off their screens at least for a while over the festive break. You might even remember the fun you had making kits as a youngster too. This offer is on a strictly while stocks last basis, so do check with your local store that they've got them, as once they're gone they're likely to be gone for another year, but do double check. Sometimes they make multiple stock drops throughout the season. Anyway, thanks so much for watching today and goodbye.